going to Connaught Palace with my sister, my colleagues. We are already getting ready and we are waiting for the Uber to come. And after we go. Hello, so we left students for a few hours and we are enjoying our life here in Delhi. And she's enjoying the view. She's not looking at the camera. I'm just exploring Delhi. Even us. Here is a Singh sir.
Hi.
He's so busy.
Exhausted.
Exhausted? Why?
Because I had a sleepless night.
We slept very nicely in train even, but we are still looking very fresh, no? With you? He's looking very fresh because he slept a lot. The Bhaiya has good music taste. And this is the traffic, Delhi traffic. So we are at Connaught Palace. It's very beautiful. Wish you could brought our students here. Enjoying our evening walk. It's very nice. It's very cold even. Assam is much hotter than Delhi.
Okay. मेरा नाम आयुष। मैं आपको नहीं जानता। Do you know? अच्छा मेरा हाथ छोड़ने का मन नहीं है। आयुष भाई उधर हम पब्लिक आ रहे हैं जाओ ना Janpath market and the price is very expensive. So how's your experience in Janpath market? Did you like it? Observing the notice prices in the
even me I think so. In Fancy Bazaar and also Dimapur we get more inexpensive things, no?
Yes.
We get good things in good price. But in Janpath it's very expensive. Still I bought some chicken curry kurti, oxidized jewelry, dream catchers and all this stuff. Looking forward to explore more things. Now we are going to Chandi Chawk. We are going to Chandi Chawk.
It's not Chandi Chawk to China. Okay? Chandi Chawk to India.
Chandi Chawk to
Delhi.
India. Let's explore. Let's go together. Lord of Rings. Wow. Yes. Okay. We are in metro station right now. We'll go to Chandi Chawk.
चांदनी चौक पे होते हैं।
Guys, we are in Chandi Chawk now, and I'll just show you the place. Yeah. Chandi Chawk, and we're coming to James next corner. What you can find there? We are ordering chole bhature, and we will also try rabdi. Okay. This is famous chole bhature in the shop James next corner in Chandi Chawk, Delhi. It looks yum, no? These are the famous rabdi.
हो गया
Well, tell me about your rabdi. I will make you famous in Assam.
ये वाली हाथ में लूं
हाँ.
कौन सा वाला फेमस है?
कौन सा वाला famous है? It's YouTube, okay? It's for YouTube. I will make you famous in Assam.
ओके
कौन सा वाला?
So many items are available here. This
कौन सा वाला
is
अच्छा है?
केसर
केसर.
Kesar. I took Kesar. Chandan, you take yours.
केसर
This is Chandan rabdi.
यस
This is Ace rabdi. What are you trying? What are you trying? Malay. It's so noob, yaar.
Best.
Best. So good. Almost 9 for our hotel. We're so worried even. Because we called Uber, but he's not even coming here. We are showing the fake smile, though we are very worried. And he's chill. You're chill now? Okay, I guess we got the Uber, so see you soon. So finally, we are done for the day, and now we are going back to hotel. Finally, we got the Uber driver. क्यों जाने हैं?
ये भी है